tea's gone cold, I'm wondering why. Got out of bed. Morning rain clouds up my window, and I can't see it all. Even if I could, it would all be great. But your picture on my wall, it reminds me that it's not so bad. It's not so bad. Drank too much last night, got bills to pay. My head just feels in pain. I missed the bus and there'll be help today. I'm late for work again, and even if I'm there, they'll all imply that I might not last the day. Then you call me, and it's not so bad, it's not so bad.